Supra season is here. Today, I'm unboxing one of the Hot Wheels coolest casting, the Toyota Supra, the HTB09. In this gorgeous metallic green, whether you are a JDM fan, collector or future modder, this one is special. This AAT Supra, the last straight 6 legend before the B58 era. Hot Wheels collectors know that the HTB09 code means business. This is one of the premium mainline castings with extra details over standard models. Oh yes, the deep metallic green paint with black accents is a chef's kiss. And check out that light catching the tampos. The real MK4 Supra needs no intro. 320 horsepower twin turbo 2JZ, legendary tunable and the Fast and Furious frame. But this casting specifically replicates the 1997 to 1998 facelift model with these distinctive 5-spoke wheels and these iconic tail lights. And look, they even included the Toyota Supra badging in perfect scale. That endless hood hides the legendary 2JZ, a motor so tough people push 1000 plus horsepower on stock blocks. No wonder this became the 90s tuner king. The Spectra Flame style paint way deeper than mainline cars. Almost real rider-esque wheels, premium 5 spokes versus the basic hub. Exclusive deco, only released in this color a few times. People who like to mod, this is a dream, perfect for wheel swap. See this code? That means it shares the same premium tooling as the Hot Wheels expensive RLC model, just without the rubber tires. Here are some beautiful shots of the car. The HTB09 Toyota Supra is a peak Hot Wheels, affordable but packed with collector's appeal. If you enjoyed this, rev that like button, subscribe for more JDM content and hit the bell so you don't miss the next unboxing. Until then, spool up those turbos.